Parents, are you tired of that nightly frantic Google search for fun but educational lesson plans for your 7-year-old? Do you spend hours scrolling, clicking, compiling, and wondering if you should just hand them a tablet and admit defeat? We see you, we are you, and we're here to save your evenings. Introducing Kiddios Club. We've done the hard part. We've wrestled the internet's educational chaos into submission and categorized all the fun, effective lessons you need. Forget the long-haul search mission. Now your process is 3 simple steps. Choose the perfect lesson. Check out faster than you can say mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell, and print. That's it, and the best part. It's ridiculously affordable. We read talking less than the cost of that fancy 40 Rand cappuccino you drink just to power through another lesson plan search. Get ready to actually enjoy your evenings again. Stop searching. Start teaching. Curiosity is waiting. Visit www.kiddiosclub.com today. That's KIDIOSCLUB.com. Your sanity is just a click away.